One, you may see this happening in the hottest part of the summer. Things look like it's running fine, and then all of a sudden you're having to go out to the breaker box and you find a breaker that's tripped. This is 95% of the time due to an overdraw of amps. So, what gets you to that point? Usually it's going to be something outside to do with the condenser. Not all the time, some of the time. But during those times when it's hot, this is happening. Things to watch for, are the coils blocked? How old is the system? Is the compressor getting really hot? Are we having an over amperage of a capacitor or a contact? There's several things in there that could be going on. Maybe even a loose connection. And if you think about a system that runs and runs and runs all the time, nonstop, during the hottest part of the year, and if it's a heat pump, even during the coldest part of the year, these are vibrations. Vibrations are going to cause things to get loose. And again, if you're not getting your system serviced, these are the things that happen over time. And one little loose connection creates a problem to this part, which creates a problem to the next part. And then before you know it, you have a breaker tripping. And now we've got some parts that are arced and sparked and burned up. And now you're looking at replacing parts. And the life of the system has been reduced. Again, very important to have your system serviced. And if you're having it serviced, you catch these things ahead of time. It's no surprise. Even if something was drawing a little more than it should, you'll have a heads up. You can start planning to replace that part. Or if we're out there doing a service, we're already there and you're part of our club membership and you're on our program, you're going to get a discount anyway for that part. And once it's replaced, it's lifetime guaranteed as long as you're having your system serviced with us. So there's lots of ways to be prepared for that. Now, if we leave there and on the 4th of July, your system quits working and it's 9 o'clock at night and it's very hot and you have family in town and all this, and we knew this whole time this was going to be a problem, of course there's going to be an after hours charge and things like that, but try not to get to that point. That's our goal, is to try to catch these things before it becomes a big problem.